Hi, today in front of me REALME GT Neo 3T and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings and now we should tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi we should click on the switcher. Just turn it on or turn it off by click on the switcher. After that you'll see here all the available networks. Select one from these networks. Here you should enter the password. To see this password we should click to this eye icon, for example, to have no some mistakes. So I'll enter it out of screen. After that just click on the right upper corner and tap to OK, and we can see that we just successfully connected to this network. So now the Wi-Fi is activated. If you want, you can use more networks. Just select them, enter the passwords, tap to connect, and after that you can switch between these networks. Also, we got one more way how we can activate the Wi-Fi. Just open notification panel shortcuts. After that you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Click to this icon to activate it and just to turn it off by this way. If you want to launch the Wi-Fi settings, to select the network, just hold it for a while and by the same way now just select it, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.